Monkey Steve from Cascade Park here. We miss seeing you at the library. We hope you're staying safe. But today I'm here to share a fun build-it activity. We're going to use recycled materials to create a biodegradable plant starter. You'll need the following materials: an egg carton, scissors, soil, some seeds, a plate, and some water. So the first thing you'll want to do is cut your egg cartons into sections. Or, if you prefer, you can keep them together. But the size and the shape makes it easy to handle and to use. Next, you'll need to prepare your potting soil mixture. Right now I just have some regular old dirt, but if I add in some used coffee grounds, we'll be able to turn this into a highly nutritious mix for our plants. Coffee grounds restore nutrients to the ground that plants need. Things like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. It's a great way to take something that's normally thrown out and to turn it into something wonderful. Not to mention, kids love getting messy in the dirt, so why not teach them a little bit of gardening? Once your soil is ready, you're going to want to fill your cups about halfway with soil. So let's go ahead and start filling these up. Don't need to fill them up all of the way. We're just trying to get a little bit on the bottom, something for our seeds to rest on. Go ahead and fill these up. Once you have those ready, go ahead and get your seeds. Some seeds you'll need to start by themselves, whereas other seeds do a lot better if they're with friends. Make sure to check on the packaging to see exactly how you should plant your seeds. Go ahead and place them just directly on top. And then cover up with some more soil. Once you have them covered, go ahead and place them on your plate. This is also a really good time to write down what it is that you're planting so that you can help keep track of which is which. Because they all start to look the same once they've got the dirt covering them. Once we get all of our plants onto our plate, our next step will be to water them. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh yeah, let me get my watering can. I'll just dump that right on top. Well, the reason why we're using these egg cartons is because it gives you a way to fill the soil with water without drowning it from the top. So what you'll do to make that work, get your plate here, and what you'll do is just pour water directly on the plate itself. So what you're going to see is that the water will get soaked into the cardboard. It sucks it up just like a straw. And then once the cardboard is wet, that water will get sucked right up into the soil. There we are. We can even sit and watch the water climb up. And if the water dries out of the bottom, if everything gets pulled into the soil, just keep adding water until everything is nice and moist. From there, you're going to take your plate and carefully place it in a warm area. Some plants require sun to get started, but others just require warmth. So just double check on seeing exactly the requirements you need for the seeds that you're planting. After some time has passed, your seeds should start to sprout. You'll see little shoots coming up right out of the top of the soil. You could even take some pictures so that you can see the progress. And once your seed has sprouted, you'll go ahead and plant the entire starter, cardboard and all, directly into another container, or straight into your garden. Another great aspect of using the egg cartons is that this will naturally biodegrade. And feel free to share any pictures of your plant's progress with this week's Build It in our comments. Feel free to tag FERL on Facebook or on Instagram. Thank you for supporting your local library. We look forward to being able to see you again soon. Bye-bye.